If you want to find out how I went from this to this in just 3 easy steps, then keep on watching. Step 1. Color Security Shampoo. Step 2. Color Security Conditioner. Step 3. The Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. My hair is already sectioned. It's time to apply Dream Coat through each section, and then I'll comb through it and activate it with heat. Oh, this is the look I ended up with. I did try different styles, but I think this is the one that felt right for me. Hope you like it. Let me know if you've got any questions and I'll try and get back to you. See you soon. Mwah. Bye.